Today's pharmaceutical manufacturers face increasing pressure to deliver high-quality medicines quickly, efficiently, and economically, while complying with regulatory requirements and meeting sustainability goals. Given continued demands for quick drug accessibility, paper-based manufacturing processes are no longer practical, leading to bloated documentation, manual execution, and hindering companies from aligning with the FDA's vision for continuous improvement. AspenTech's manufacturing execution systems digitally guide and record batch procedures in line with the ISPE's Pharma 4.0 initiative, increasing production quality and reducing cycle time, cost, and waste, while allowing rapid response and mitigating risk in your ever-changing business environment. Take the next step on your Pharma 4.0 journey with a batch system that can help improve throughput and yield, accelerate release time, increase visibility, reduce product loss, decrease documentation time and errors, and maintain FDA 21 CFR Part 11 regulatory compliance without compromise. With our MES solution, you can automatically guide and track recipe execution for consistent, flawless management. Ensure data integrity by digitally capturing manual records, documentation, and logbook entries, and aggregating data for batch tracking, analysis, and profiling. Eliminate risk with a powerful single point of data entry using the industry's most trusted real-time data historian, and harness cloud capabilities to collect batch-related data for increased accessibility and collaboration. Pharma manufacturers moving from paper to digital with AspenTech see dramatic increases in batch consistency and reduction in cycle and release times, fewer errors, reduced paper entries, significant time savings, and consistent quality and yield, allowing them to focus on the exceptions rather than every batch entry. Our automated MES solution is backed by 40 years of AspenTech innovation and offers pharma companies complete visibility across their new smart manufacturing process and digital supply network. If you want to make better decisions faster, ensure high product quality, and meet critical time-to-market goals, all while reducing waste and the impact on the environment, it's time to accelerate your Pharma 4.0 journey with AspenTech.